Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 3D tunnel flip in VideoStar. Let's just jump straight into the video. So to begin with, press on New and then press on Multi-Layer, then press on 1 and then import your photo. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for the rest of the layers. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to check this little box that's labeled 3D in the corner right here, and then go to your second layer and then press on Add Mask. Make sure that you're in the shape section and then press on these 3 lines and make sure that you have this shape selected. Now press this little button right here. All it does is flips the mask around, and press on Done, and then repeat this step for layers 3 through 5. Okay, so once you have this, go to your first layer and then press on Edit Keyframes. Drag this slider down, and what it does is it gives us a bird's eye view of all of your layers. Now we're going to slide the depth of this down. I'm going to slide it down to about 70. Now press on Back, and then open your second layer and then press on Edit Keyframes. Drag this slider down, and then press on Options, and then press on Show Other Layers, and select the first layer. Now we're going to drag the depth down a little so there's some space between the first layer and the second layer. I'm dragging my depth down to 50. Now we're going to go down here and rotate the layer. Now press on Back. Now repeat this step for the rest of the layers, but reduce the depth, if that makes sense. I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. I forgot to mention, when you open up the other layers, you have to press on Options and then press Show Other Layers and then show all of the previous layers you've edited. So I'm on layer 3, I have to show layers 1 and 2. If I was on 4, I have to show 1, 2, and 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you have this, press on the first layer and then press on Mirror and select this last option. Now go to your second layer and then press on Color and select Outline Fuzzy. Press on this up arrow and then drag this color slider all the way down to black. Repeat this for the rest of the layers, except for one. Now once you have this, feel free to adjust the rest of the layers. Once you have this, press on this QR code icon in the corner and then press on Share. And then select Share again, and then just rename it to whatever you'd like. Okay, then press Save to Photo Library. Then press on Done. Press on this Keyframe Master icon and then press on Add Master, and then select all the layers. Go to the very end of your clip. Now select the last option on this bar right here. Now all you have to do is drag it over. Now press on this straight line and then press on Custom, and then just copy your graph to look like mine. Because we're editing multiple 3D layers, the graph is going to be glitchy. This is what my graph looks like. Press on this down arrow and press on Back and press on Create. Okay, now press on Done. Then go to your second clip. Now press on New, Multi-Layer, and then import your picture to all 5 layers. Now we're going to press on this QR code icon in the corner and then press on Import and then press on Yes. Then go to your camera roll and select the QR code we recently saved. Okay, now once you have this, press on Fit. Press on OK. I forgot to mention this, we are still going to have to add all the masks. Now press on this master icon up here and then press on add master and then import all of your layers. Now go to the very end of your clip and then select the last option in this bar right here and then place a keyframe. Now go back to the beginning of your clip and just finish off that flip transition. Now press this straight line icon right here and then press on custom and then make your graph look like mine. So this is what my graph ended up looking like. Press the down arrow and then press on back and then press on create. Now press on done. Okay, now press on new and then press on multi-layer. Then press on one and then import the first part of your transition. Now press on color and then look up motion blur. Now press on one again and then press on edit keyframes. And then press on the size icon and it will change into a color icon. Now go to the middle of your clip and place down a keyframe. And then go to the end of your clip and place down another keyframe. Go back to the middle of your clip and drag the color down, and then go to the beginning of your clip and drag the color down again. Now go back to the end of your clip, press on the straight line, press on custom, and then make your graph look like mine. Now press on back and then press on create. Now press done. Go to the second part of your transition, press on new, press on multi-layer, and then import the second part of your transition. Now go to color again and select motion blur. Now press on one, edit keyframes, and then go to the end of your clip and then press on the size icon and it will change into the color icon, and drag the color down to 0. Now press on the straight line next to it, press on custom, and then make your graph look like mine. This is what my graph ended up looking like. Press the down arrow, press back, and then press on create. Now press done, and there's your transition. Now, if you want to, you can press on new and then press on transform and then add VS motion blur. But for me, it didn't work. The blur would stop at the very end of the clip. So I don't know if it's a just me problem or what, but it didn't work for me. I'm still gonna add it just to add a little more smoothness to the transition. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial useful. Like this video, comment down below what I should upload next, and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!